What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Be Auto Mechanic and EV Rescue. Today we've got a 2013 Ford C-Max that needs a complete front steering and suspension refresh. We're replacing both lower control arms, inner tie rods, outer tie rods, and steering rack boots. If your steering feels loose, your tires are wearing unevenly, or you're hearing clunking noises over bumps, this video is for you. Let's get started. Here's everything we'll be installing today. 2 brand new lower control arms, 2 inner tie rods, 2 outer tie rods, new steering rack boots, new clamps and hardware. Replacing everything at once saves labor and gives the front suspension a fresh start. First things first, always support the vehicle safely using jack stands. Never rely only on a floor jack. Safety comes first. The first component coming off is the outer tie rod. I'll loosen the jam nut first, then remove the castle nut. After that, I'll separate it from the steering knuckle using a tie rod puller. One important tip: count the number of turns when removing the outer tie rod. That'll help keep the alignment close enough to drive to the alignment shop. Next, we're removing the steering rack boot. Cut the clamps carefully, slide the boot off. Now we can access the inner tie rod. Using the proper inner tie rod removal tool makes this job much easier. Break it loose, spin it off. Remove the ball joint from the steering knuckle. Then remove the rear and front mounting bolts. Installation is basically the reverse of removal. Install the control arm, install the new inner tie rod. Slide on the new rack boot, thread on the new outer tie rod using the same number of turns we counted earlier.